Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share some amazing baby shock themed second birthday decoration ideas perfect for a small living space. I personally designed the invitations on Canva and ordered the written gift bags, gifts, paper plates, spoons and glasses. For the rest, I found an incredible page on Instagram that handled the decorations, and I'll be providing their Instagram ID in the description below. In this video, I'll show you all the DIY friendly ideas, the party hall, and the entire decoration process, demonstrating how we made the most of a small space with a fun and vibrant setup. Stick around to see how everything came together and get some great tips for your own party. I made this baby shock themed invite on canva.com. Super easy to customize and it turned out adorable. I ordered few items from Amazon. So I ordered these sticky hands for the written gifts. They were tinier than I expected, but they come with a fun string for the kids to play with. So I'm sure they will still enjoy them. Next, LED light up fidget spinner bracelets. These were a hit. The kids loved wearing these bracelets on their wrists. They enjoyed watching them light up and spin, and they fit the playful vibe of the party perfectly. Next, I picked up these cute blue paper gift bags to match the baby shark theme. I ordered them in a small size which worked out perfectly. There's just enough space to add some treats or any extra snacks from the party. I also added 5-star mini treats to the written gift bags, always a hit with the kids. Of course, I had to get these super cute baby shark themed paper plates for the kids to enjoy the cake. They are sturdy and super cute with all the characters. I got the simple plastic spoons as they are easy for little hands to hold and perfect for scooping up cake. I picked up these bright paper glasses with happy birthday written on them, perfect for serving juice to the kids. I picked up a simple regular tissue box to have on hand for the kids during the party, always useful. These adorable baby shock birthday hats for the kids, they added a fun touch and went perfectly with the theme. Now, the most important part of the party, the baby shock themed cake and cupcakes. I wanted the cake to have a big number 2 on top with shocks decorating the sides and my child's name on the bottom. For the cupcakes, I envisioned shark designs and shell decorations to complete the theme. This electric balloon pump made inflating all the balloons super quick and easy. These skinny latex balloons were great for creating the garland and making it look full and professional. These spring clamps helped secure the garland and backdrop perfectly in place. A silver number 2 foil balloon for the second birthday. Can't go wrong with this. The baby shock family foil balloons really brought the theme to life. I grabbed this combo for extra fun during cake cutting. The kids loved it. This cupcake stand was great for displaying cupcakes and added height to the dessert table. Latex balloons in 3 colors, light blue, yellow and bright blue balloons to match the theme and add color to the decorations. We used these clear bobo balloons as they are to give a simple bubble effect. I had a baby shark themed banner customized with my child's name for the perfect backdrop. These acrylic risers helped create levels on the dessert table for a polished look. This wooden arch stand to hold up the balloon garland and backdrop for a perfect photo area. Now let's dive into the decoration process. First, we opened the wooden arch and positioned it in the desired spot. Next, we started blowing up the balloons in 3 colors, light blue, yellow and bright blue using the electric pump. How sweet were those ladies? They gave Sahil and Uzaib a balloon each to play with while the boys enjoyed watching the whole decoration process. It was such a fun moment for them. We began by blowing two balloons of the same color on both sides of the pump, tying them together in medium size. We repeated this for all three colors. Then we twisted two balloon pairs of the same color to form a set of four, getting them ready for the garland. After that, we unwrapped the customized backdrop banner. I wanted it to feature my child's name, so it reads Uzaib Shark is 222. We secured the backdrop to the wooden arch, aligning it to one side since a balloon arch would be placed on the other side. To hold the backdrop in place, we used clips on one side and double-sided tape on the other to stick it to the wooden arch. There was a small issue with the size of the printing, but it was perfectly managed since the balloon arch would cover that side. Next, we worked on the balloon garland. We tied together the balloons using long skinny latex balloons which looked fantastic. Before adding the garland, we attached heavy-duty clips to the long skinny balloons, securing them with equal spacing on the wooden arch. We then placed the garland on one side of the wooden arch and secured the garland using the skinny latex balloons that were already attached to the clips. This helped the garland hug the wooden arch perfectly. And this is how you attach the long skinny latex balloons to the clips. And this is how you secure the garland from top to bottom using clips spaced evenly along the arch. Now inflate some mini balloons to attach throughout the garland, adding them here and there to give the arch a fuller, more finished look. And we attach the mini-sized balloons to the garland wherever needed using skinny latex balloons. It was super easy and held them securely in place. To create a bubble effect, we added two clear bobo balloons, placing them randomly for a whimsical touch. We tied single balloons to the garland by first securing a skinny latex balloon around each one, creating a loop by tying both ends of the skinny balloon together. This loop then fits snugly onto the garland, holding each balloon securely in place. For an extra fun element, we decided to add the baby shark foil balloon at the bottom of the garland on the left side. We added the baby shark family round balloon and star balloons on the walls a little further out, giving a nice spread to the decorations. We inflated the silver number 2 foil balloon for the second birthday and created a small pillar using light blue, bright blue and yellow balloons. We placed the number 2 balloon on top of the pillar and set it on the lower right side of the setup. And with that, our decoration is complete. Take a look at this simple and fun baby shark themed birthday setup. Now let's set up the cake and desserts. We are using acrylic risers in 2 different sizes, one larger stand for the cake and a smaller one for the cupcakes. We also have a cupcake stand tower to display the cupcakes, which adds a great visual touch to the setup. And here's the final look with the cake and cupcake setup in place. Everything's ready for the party. I have placed the gift bags for the children on the TV table along with the baby shark hats for them to wear during the party. Everything is all set and ready to go. And this is how my small living space has transformed for the party. This is a great example of how you can decorate for a baby shark themed birthday in a compact area. I hope you all liked it and gathered plenty of ideas on how to decorate, what essential items to have for the party, and ideas for filling written gift bags. So thanks for watching until the end. I'll be sharing a video soon on how we celebrated our little one's birthday. Thank you and bye-bye. Before I say goodbye, I want to give a special thanks to the two ladies who did an amazing job with the decorations. They truly made everything look fantastic. You can check the details in the description below. Once again, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.